2023, Year of Fire. Financial Independence, Retire Early. It is nearing the end of the year, and there is no better time than the present to discuss some major financial assets and earning your time back than right now. We are going to discuss financial plans and objectives, but ultimately we are going to talk about how you can become a master of your time in just 1 year. No matter where you are when you watch this, we will help you improve the way you think about New Year's resolutions and how to make the most of the year to come. It is a time for you to place a higher value on your time and how you spend it. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advice here on Savvy. Many individuals fail to realize their full potential fully. We're not talking about making promises to ourselves. Instead, we are talking about making significant improvements in our lives, and more specifically, transforming our financial situations in ways that most people wouldn't even attempt. Most people don't realize that in just a year, you have the power to master your finances or let them rule your life. People's financial situations can shift drastically. As unlikely as it may seem right now, we are confident that it's not just possible, but also attainable. Having a positive frame of mind is the first step. You see, what you think about expands to fill your life. Whether you're attempting to get out of debt or just want to start investing more of your hard-earned money, the first step is changing your mindset. It is important to make up your mind that you're going to do what it takes to achieve your goal. You need to fight off the urge to put things off actively. Make up your mind to overcome your anxiety over money first and foremost. The key step should be to let go of guilt over money blunders you've made in the past. Think about your successes and failures over the past year and beyond. The only thing you have any say in is the present. It is also important to express gratitude often. Ditch your all or nothing mindset when it comes to reaching challenging goals. Otherwise, you'll be very tempted to give up when you hit a snag or a roadblock. And there are 2 rules that you can mentally commit to helping you out. The first is the 1% rule. It is where you commit to spending 14 minutes and 24 seconds per day on your finances. It is specific since it is 1% of every day. However, you may round it up to 15 minutes. The second guideline is the 2-day rule. You may take a day off from managing your funds, but never 2 consecutive days. We believe that if you follow this financial guideline, you can make tremendous financial progress. Many people are committed to bettering themselves and their financial situation by studying and working daily. We have a few suggestions for maintaining continuity. They may be modest, but even the smallest actions can have a significant impact over time. You can try cooking your own meals to save money, which will require you to learn how to cook in general. Read more finance books and video content that will help inspire you to start your financial journey. Side hustles are also an excellent way to develop a passive income stream. But try to avoid buying impulsively even if you earn money. You can also set up automation to have your money automatically go to investments or savings.
10,000. Using a side hustle, you should be able to make your first $1,000. Create a Roth IRA and put in as much as you can. You can accomplish anything if you have the drive, clarity of purpose, goals, and consistency to achieve them. It's trusting in your abilities. You are making a promise to yourself that you will stop settling for less. Whether you want to improve your financial situation or your life in general. Committing to anything for a year and doing so with your why in mind is crucial. Though you may not be able to fly or read minds, you have far more potential than you give yourself credit. Instead of making unachievable promises to yourself at the start of the year, you can achieve your goals by establishing more practical routines. Commit to learning to manage your finances well, each day with one simple step. What you can accomplish in a year could surprise you. Never undervalue the compounding impact of your successful efforts over time. Don't undervalue how much you can learn and how much you can apply what you have learned. The process may feel cluttered if you start before you believe you are ready. If you take to heart the mental approach, actionable ideas, and goals we gave in this video, we are optimistic that you will end up in a great position. At first, you may feel lost in the process, but if you do so, you will finish strong. The best aspect is that it will be more than an improvement in 1 year. We are confident that it will set us up for a lifetime of financial success if we make it a habit to do so. That's enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week. So click the subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.